I am going to look at one last strategy that sometimes helps, but unfortunately, this strategy does not work for all of the problems that we have. So if we look at the bag of 30 counters, 2/5 of the counters are green. The key word there is that of that we're seeing there. When we think of, that immediately tends to make us think of multiplication. For example, if I were to do 2/5 times 3/4, what I'm really saying is what is 2/5 of 3/4? So I would just multiply it through. So thinking about the fact that that word of is really saying multiply. So when it says 2/5 of the counters are green, the rest are yellow. How many are yellow? Well, since 2/5 are green, but we are interested in yellow, well, so 2/5 are green. Well, that means the other part, the 3/5 would be yellow. So 3/5 of the 30 are yellow. And so of tells me, oh, look, I'm going to multiply. So what am I going to do? 3/5 times 30. Then I just follow my steps. Put that over 1. I'm going to do some canceling here because that makes it simpler. And I get 18 yellow counters. So the key is where the word of is, though. So sometimes when we're looking at problems, the of is not always telling us to multiply. It needs to be 2/5 of this whole amount. This needs to be the whole amount. So it always has to be the 2/5 of the whole. Always have to be focusing there. If we look back at one of our previous problems, I drank 1/4 of it during halftime. Of what? Of my whole. So I could have done this one as multiplication. 1/2 times 1/4, which is 1/8, which is the answer that we got. And if we look at this other problem, I don't have the word of. Now it does say I bought 3/4 pound of ground beef, but this of is really referring back to my 3/4 of a pound. It's not telling me 3/4 of the whatever. It's saying of ground beef. That's what I have. Then it said I took 4 equal size pieces. So I'm not going to do multiplication on this one.